Hold up. Yeah.
What's up guys, and welcome back to IT Man channel. Today guys, we're gonna cover something special, something incredible and amazing for today, which is about the best pixel art software for all Mac and Windows and Linux in 2018. So guys, let's do it. For top one, we got Photoshop. The price is $9.99. The platform is for Mac and Windows. Photoshop is the leading software for graphic editing and digital painting. It should become as no surprise that is also popular choice among pixel artists. While not made specifically for pixel art, Photoshop contains all these tools necessary to create professional quality pixel art and animation and so much more. If you plan to create high resolution images or textures, then it's worth it to start in a Photoshop so your skills are concentrated in one program. So this is much better than having learned to multiply workflows for many different programs. And if you're working toward a career in a game development or design, then it's worth noting Photoshop is an industry standard, and having knowledge of this software will be big help in landing a gig at the studio. For top 2, we got Krita. The price is free and platforms is for Mac, Windows and Linux users. Krita is a free and open source professional painting program aimed to digital painters and cartoonists and also illustrators and concept artists. With some minor configuration changes, Krita can be used for beautiful and professional pixel art. Because this program is tailor-made for painters, and many artists will find the workflow is very natural and easy to learn. While not as feature-rich as Photoshop or GIMP, Krita has basically many tools that you won't find in the program dedicated to pixel art creation alone. Depending on your needs, this may be benefit if you are looking for a program that can be handle both pixel art and high resolution illustration work and even animation, then Krita might be exactly what you are looking for. For top 3, we got GIMP. The price is free and the platform for Mac and Windows Linux, and it's an open source image editor, probably the best known as the free alternative to Photoshop. It boasts a powerful set of general image editing tools and painting tools. Because of the easy to use the layout and the highly customizable interface, GIMP is a popular choice for artists of all backgrounds and style. GIMP comes with all these tools you need to make professional pixel art, and there is even built-in timeline animation player much like Photoshop. This makes it a great choice for those who are looking for one-size-fits-all solution image editing, and it will be easy to transfer your pixel art skills to photo manipulation and graphic design if you choose to do so. It's actually a great choice for those who are one budget looking for something that you can handle pixel art along with the image editing and painting and graphic design and more.